It was never my plan to make YouTube videos, but here we are. This is the second run of a Rudy Kouhoupt designed single-cylinder, single-acting, spool-valve horizontal steam engine. I was eager to see it in operation, so the flywheel is not yet finished. Rudy's design leaves many opportunities for embellishment, and ideas for refinement are already taking shape. The project was started quite a few years ago, but for various reasons kept getting stalled. Finally seeing it in operation is therefore quite a treat. The materials used are brass, 6061 aluminum, copper, and 01 steel. An old airbrush compressor is producing about 5 to 6 pounds of air at the valve chest via the flexible tube. Lightweight machine oil is providing lubrication, but if this were to run on steam, a proper grade of steam oil would be required. The engine could be made to run in reverse by rotating the eccentric 180 degrees on the crankshaft. This is my first steam engine build, but it won't be my last.